Hi, I'm David Rabinowitz. I'm the Managing Partner at the Illinois Hammer. I want to tell you about a settlement that I recently got on an awful automobile collision that our client was in. We represented a lady who was injured when a motor vehicle came across another lane of traffic and caused her to T-bone that car. As a result of this collision, she suffered a clavicle fracture and a tibia fracture, and both required surgery. She had an allergic reaction to the titanium that was put into her clavicle, and she had to have a revision surgery to remove that titanium and put in another metal that she was not allergic to. Our client had medical bills of about $200,000, and before the lawsuit was filed, the insurance company offered $550,000. Shortly after we filed the lawsuit, the attorney for the insurance company came on, and I explained to him why this offer was really low, how much my client had been through the allergic reaction and the recovery from her tibia surgery. And he went back to the insurance company and he tried multiple times to get me to come off my number that I had originally demanded. I said, no, this case is worth every penny that I am demanding, and that they need to come up with it. We went back and forth for a little while, and he tried multiple times to get me to take less than the amount that I had demanded. Ultimately, we stood firm, and the insurance company matched the $800,000 that we had demanded. Fortunately, she did make a full recovery, and she's able to live her life the way she was before this incident. But it just goes to show you that sometimes you just have to stand your ground when you believe that you're doing something right for your client. And I'm really glad that we did that here. If you're injured, you don't want an attorney that's going to settle for some lowball offer pre-suit. You want an attorney that's going to fight for you, who knows the value of the case, knows what it's worth, and is going to make sure that they get you every dollar that you deserve. That's what we do at the Illinois Hammer. That's what I do at the Illinois Hammer. And that's what we always want to do for our clients. So call the Illinois Hammer if you've been in a serious automobile accident and want a serious attorney to represent you.